In this video, I'll show you how to use Radium with Trust Wallet. Since Trust Wallet does not natively support Solana apps, we'll need an alternative method. Listen carefully as I explain the process step by step. So first, head over to the official website of Trust Wallet. You can search it for if you're using a iOS and Android. And then after that, assumingly we've already downloaded this application, now open the app and create a new wallet. And then after that, save your secret recovery phrase securely, and then your Trust wallet is now ready. Now, Radiums operates on the Solana blockchain, so you need an SOL for transactions. So now, buy SOL inside the Trust wallet via MoonPay or another provider, or transfer SOL for an exchange like Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase. And then to find your SOL address, open the Trust wallet and then search for Solana and tap it and tap receive and then copy your SOL wallet address, send SOL from your exchange to this address. Since Trust Wallet doesn't support direct Solana apps, we use Wallet Connect. Now, open the Trust Wallet again and then go to the radium.io on your browser and then click the Launch app. Now, on the upper right corner, click the Connect Wallet and then choose the Trust Wallet from the list and approve the connections. Click Swap in Radium and then select SOL in the first box and Ray or any Solana token in the second. And then enter the amount you want to swap and click Swap and then approve the transaction in Trust. And that's it. Now you know how to use Radium with Trust Wallet via Wallet Connect to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and trade on Solana. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.